Here I have an equation with only one variable in it, just an x, so I'm going to solve it for x. The problem is, though, that I have an x on both sides of the equal sign. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my line down the equal sign to separate my sides, and what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to move one of the x's to the other side of the line. And the way that I move something across the line is to do an inverse operation. So the inverse operation to a positive 15x is to subtract 15x. And I'm going to put it under the like term, the x term, on the other side. And I'm going to bring down everything. So 12. Then I have 3x plus negative 15x, or minus 15x is negative 12x, equals, those cancel out, negative 8. So now I've got all of my variable on one side of the line. I'm going to circle what I'm solving for, including, it's very important, including the negative sign. That way I know I've got a negative I'm dealing with. And my goal is to get this that's inside the circle by itself on this side of the line. So I'm going to take whatever's not in the circle and move it to the other side. Again, using inverse operation. So to move a positive 12, I'm going to say minus 12 on both sides, and I can put it under the 8 because those are still like terms. So I'm going to bring down my negative 12x equals negative 20. So now at this point I only have this one term, negative 12x, so I've got x being multiplied by negative 12, so I'm going to divide by negative 12. Because my goal is to end up with 1x. So when I divide by negative 12, those two cancel out, and I have x equals, I've got a negative divided by a negative makes it a positive, so positive 20 over 12. And I can go ahead and reduce that again to 5 over 3. And that's my answer.